Facebook page mo? Or sa ano mo lang?
YouTube.
Sa YouTube din.
Yeah, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, 60,000. Ito. Magkano yun? 61,100. 380, okay.
Then, 60,000. I received 62,000.
So, I'm not plugging all again. I think it's
Lagi. Yes po, today ay negative.
negative 10, Brad.
Naka-video pala tayo.
Negative 10 talaga, mga ganong itsura. Negative 10. DJI pa rin ang gusto ko.
Matik, DJI.
DJI pa rin ang pinakamalupit. DJI Mini 4 Pro, may kasamang baterya. Hindi ka tulad mo, dibdib lang yung magpapasaya sa'yo. Hey, salutin. Busy.
Yun!
Active.
Activate.
Activate. So, it's okay. Connect ko yung cellphone sa kanya. Yeah, I need to download an app or what? I don't know. What kind of app you need to download?
You don't have internet?
Data.
Data? Google.
Sana all. Naka-DJI ano na. Naka-DJI Mini 4 Pro. Shout talaga. See the battery game that in here? Well, I can see it back because okay.
Where's your Google, sir? This one.
Oh, wow. Nice. Meron pa to siyang ano dito, no? Meron pa to ano dito, yung pinaka para ano, ganun pa lang. Diba?
Bukod pa rin. Bukod pa yung lace.
Meron siyang lace.
Bukod pa po.
Bibili ka lang.
Bibili pa.
Bibili. Oh. There is a lace but you have to buy it. It's not re-lace.
Lace.
It's a... Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Authorized on. Okay. Authorized on. Oh. Okay. Wow.
This is update.
Yeah.
Sir, I update all.
Yeah, do eh. Ina-update din yun. Parang Samsung din, ano?
This controller, they have simulator.
Okay.
Yung simulator, parang may drone sa loob, tapos papali pa rin. Parang practice.
Para practice.
Practice. Flight.
Galing din, ano? Galing din ang presyo, eh. Galing din ang presyo. 1,000 na tira sa pera namin, oh. Wala na kami pang Red Doors.
Naging sir,
Woo! Laki kami, dalawang bote kami. Dalawang bote kami. Wala nga lang signal doon sa location niya, kaya pag nandun kami, wala. Para kami tanga lang, upo lang doon, shot.
Long TV.
Wala signal. Ngayon na. Wala pa. Kasi nga siyempre, puro puno pa eh. Ano, bukid siya. Bukid siya.
Maganda yung ano, Starlight. Ay, Starlight.
Yeah.
Internet.
Starlink.
Ay, Starlink.
Starlink.
Starlink. It went up in price, 1,000, 3,000.
Same lang siya sa ano.
3,000 per month.
3,000.
Pero mahal siya kasi mataas yung speeding niya, mabilis.
Where we live right now, I need to connect the storage because
Sir, once
Daming
this
pagka,
is speed,
ang daming pag-aaralan pala
you
pag
don't have
nag-drone.
any
no, because
obstacle
what is that? Sport,
avoidance.
that's sport mode or what is
Yes.
that? Oh, okay. We ain't going to use that yet.
Yes.
And actually, it's not necessary because we want to use it for making
For
pictures.
landing, long drag this one.
Ah, okay.
Wow, ganun lang pala yun. Napakahusay mo naman. Sana all talaga.
Sir, you want to try?
No, don't, no, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no.
I need an open space.
You need an open space to fly, ha? Okay, I think it
Sir,
will...
this is your
Video?
video and picture.
Oh, we have video there, we have pictures, ha?
We got a picture here, I think. No, it's 2 seconds.
Easy, easy, easy. It's touch
This is
screen.
video.
Oh.
Video. Look. Look, man. That's
These
another
are
video.
video.
Oh.
Pasa ko kay sir, tapos pasa niya sa'yo.
Oh. Oh, nice.
Yun, no?
Oh, plus 10, ha? Plus 10. Ito, plus 15 ako dito.
Ito yung picture.
Plus 15 ako.
That's
Kaya?
the picture. All right. Good.
Sir, where's your phone?
Mahal lang gantong memory card, 1,500. SanDisk, 128 gigabyte. Kasi hindi naman gagana yung drone kung walang memory card, di ba?
On your right.
Yeah. You should try, di ba? So we cannot use the drone without memory card. Also human.
You can use it, but you cannot make a picture.
Yeah, yeah.
Or video.
Like Bano, di ba? No brain, only 2 brain cells left.
Only two.
Oh yeah. Big brain but only 2 brain cells left. That's why the brain cannot, cannot work sometimes.
They are mostly drunk.
Drunk always, Alfonso, red horse, what happened? Oh my goodness. Nothing left in your brain.
Nag-alfonso din pala ni sir.
Oo, naman siyempre, masarap ang Alfonso.
Even my dog is the name is Alfonso.
Yeah. Yung aso niya, pangalan Alfonso. Pangalan ng aso niya, Alfonso, pangalan. Pangatlong pasok ko pa lang dito sa loob ng SM eh. Medyo ano na eh. Hindi ba na ako mahilig maggaganito, yung papasok sa mga mall na ganito? Sa SM. Especially sa MOA. Oh, isang beses lang ako nakapasok sa MOA. Ayoko na. Ang laki-laki, tapos bibilin mo, isang damit lang. Mag-ukay-ukay ka na lang. Matagal din mag-set up ng ganyan, di ba? O, siyempre pa na.
Nag-download pa.
Presyo, paano nga? Puta, presyo ng motor eh, no?
Oo.
Pero kung papiliin ako, motor at saka yan, motor pa rin ako. Hindi ba na ako madadala nito sa Baguio?
Pero, ano eh, solid din pag may ano yung drone.
Kompleto ka sa gamit talaga, maganda talaga. Kasi daw, pag nakakita ka ng magandang spot, tigil ka lang. Kalipat ka 5 minutes, 3
Same
minutes.
sa akin.
Yan. TikTok.
Sa akin. Ayun ako.
Ano yan? DJ na yun.
Mini 3.
Wow, sana all. Yeah.
Ayan ako, sa gitna.
Ano? Sa TikTok naman yan.
No.
Hindi ko naman yan ang TikTok ko. Sinigil ko yung pag-TikTok. Alisin mo yung ano ng kapkat. Yung logo ng kapkat yan. Kalaban nila yan eh. Kalaban nila. Pero hindi pala siyang TikTok. Oo. Galing eh. Oh. Wow, why me? Ayun eh. Wow. Palili pa rin na to.
Actually,
Umiikot ka siya.
vertically 360. Parang inaano lang sa mga robot.
Oo.
There's for calibration.
Okay.
You don't have to do that every time, I think.
Okay.
Do you have to do that every time?
No, sir. Once, no tip.
Okay. Ano pa rin mo yan?
Ano pa sir? Isang calibrate pa.
Kinakalibrate din siya?
Opo.
Talaga?
Yan. Once the blink, other, ano naman.
This is new. I didn't see that already. And the tree of the, you don't have to do that, but okay. Please.
To, ano yun? To fly good.
I hope so. So it's a little bit too expensive to crash.
Yeah.
Kaya ano niya kasi.
Do not crush it, okay? If you crush it na. Talaga.
May active track to. Kunyari, nakamotor kayo. Pag drinag mo, susundan ka lang ni drone.
Oh?
Oo. Solid.
What is a active drug?
Active track.
Truck. Active truck.
Follow.
You can
Yeah,
drive.
you can hold me.
Yeah.
Hello. So, if you go marine and so
Yeah.
you can play, okay?
You can use it in Zambales.
Yeah.
You know what?
Baguio,
No, not Baguio yet. Baguio is a very,
yeah.
no, maybe on the summer.
Uh-huh.
In summer, summer time.
Ako ba? Hindi para matagal na ganun.
Kapali pa rin na, pra.
Ah,
And then this is up.
Nice. Nice.
Facing. Forward.
Galing ah. Kaso ang hirap niyang i-operate.
forward, yeah.
Backward.
Backward, yeah.
Kaso ang hirap niyang i-operate. Kaya yung presyo niya, 61,000.
This is still up and down camera.
Okay, then can go open.
Ang galing niya mag-demo, par. Hindi ko maintindihan yung demo niya. Ano yan, zoom?
Up.
Ito,
The zoom
Still
is-
up and down. yung
up and
camera.
down. Okay.
Nice zoom. Wow. Nice.
Once this is white,
Yeah.
photo, this is captured.
Okay. Now we make a picture. Yeah.
Okay.
Switch video,
Okay.
Ang galing ah.
Now we
make it
do
red, this is record.
Yeah.
Hey! Ayun na, paro. Nagre-record na siya, paro. Hey!
This propeller is V.
That's good.
So, put it.
Good.
Be careful with that, ha? Do not let me use that because I don't know how to use that. My goodness.
I will let you use that. I don't know that.
It will...
Madali lang to sir, promise.
Pag nakatutunan mo.
This is what we don't need actually.
No, no.
But just protection of the
This is... Sir, you want to put tempered?
What?
299 on.
The third class.
Is that right?
Wag mo na.
Later.
Wag mo na. Wala pa pera.
One press long. Two,
Okay.
make it.
Drop down.
This one is tanggal.
Natutulala ako dun ah. Alas maganda talaga siyang gamitin. Maganda sa pag natutunan.
So, sobrang dali nito sir, promise. Kasi may sensor naman to eh.
Okay.
Saka may return to home po.
Yun yung kagandahan no? May return home, di ba? Automatic siyang bumababa.
Babalik sa'yo.
Yung iba walang return home. Ano na, ikaw mag-ano mismo?
Hindi, lahat naman sir, may return to home.
Meron.
Sir, can I try?
Kaya pwede ba i-charge sa sasakyan niya? Diba? Tumatakbo.
Yeah, it's not right.
Tumatakbo yung sasakyan, pwede. Okay.
This one is rechargeable. Two.
Okay.
I got a fast charger for my Samsung, that's okay.
45 watts,
60 watts.
60.
Ito pwede ito i-charge sa pag Type-C din. Okay, Type-C din.
Ay, ito pala charge na. Ay, na-try ko na pala.
Ah,
Nagana naman.
Oh, this is a wire and propeller, it's okay.
The propeller is, this is A, axis B.
Okay. Well, that's a free one.
Ito yung ano niya, manual.
Opo.
Ano tanggalin to?
Ano sir, sa YouTube? Mas madali.
Nakakita ko sticker eh.
Oo nga, ayan.
I see stickers. That's the manual. I think this one is a sticker.
DJI.
DJI.
Oh, you open that one.
Yeah. Sticker ba to?
Opo.
Yes,
Sticker yan.
give it a...
Natatanggal naman.
Yeah.
Sir, this is your drone.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations. You have your own. You have another wife. Drone. Oh. You will let Lucille sleep outside. Now.
I think she's
Yeah.
gonna let me sleep outside.
And then in the morning, Lucille might get some bolo and then hit you in the back while you're flying your drone. And this one is, ano to? Lucille is calling.
When you speak about the devil,
You,
when you speak about the devil,
why that?
anyway,
I'm recording, Mark. Oh my goodness.
that's fucking nice.
Sir, complete. 2 batteries. The
One
one.
is like that, yeah. Yep. Then the stick is not. Put it in for a while.
Nice. Thank you. Woo. Congratulations, Mark. You have another wife again. Ay, inubo ako. Mahal din kasi. 61,000. Para presyo ng Honda Click. Oo. Shoutout natin si Sir. Ano pangalan mo, Sir?
Mark po.
Shoutout natin kay Sir Mark. Sa mga gustong mag-DJI dyan, ha? SM Tansa lang, SM Tansa lang. Fourth floor. Wala pa lang fourth floor to. Third floor lang, no? Wala pa lang fourth floor to. Yun, second floor lang pala to, SM Tansa.
And you can have a receipt, yeah.
Yeah. Receipt, of course. It's important, yeah. Nice. Lucille will
Be very happy.
very happy.
I think so.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hi, Lucille. You will be very happy. I think so. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye.
Thank you.